Hey guys, welcome back to the how-to segment at Studio NPL. I'm Rebecca Stone, your Studio NPL mentor. Great to see you again. Thank you so much for all the videos you've been sending in. We got another one I'm going to showcase today from Ayla. Ayla is a senior and she's going to teach us all about chickens. Take it away, Ayla.
Here's a step-by-step tutorial of how to take care of your chickens.
Chickens prefer to sleep above ground so they can roost and feel safe. In my coop, I have 3 shallow boxes filled with hay for them to sleep in, as well as a beam for them to roost on. Another important thing is to have an enclosed space for your chickens to lay eggs. I just use a plastic bucket and cut a hole in it. When feeding your hens, you can use laying pellets to help them lay eggs. I like to have the chicken feeders and water container above ground so that hay doesn't get in. If you want to make your chickens happy, a way to do that is to install a chicken run in your chicken coop. This is just a space that's connected to your coop that will allow your chickens to walk around. Some things you can feed your chickens are bananas, strawberries, peaches, and dried mealworms that you can get from the store. You can also feed them almost anything edible from the compost. And that's the end of my video. Just remember, happy chickens make great eggs.
Ayla, thank you so much for all that information about making happy chickens. Look at this, I got me a chicken. I'm gonna watch your video one more time just so I know how to get this chicken to be happy. I hope you guys will keep sending me your videos at studio nplnashville@gmail.com.